It is day 2 of our 45-day listing challenge. Okay, reseller buddies, we have 44 days left in this year. Goal: develop some consistency, eliminate those death piles, and prepare ourselves for 2026, a fresh start and the best year ever. So, to help you do that and to help myself stay on track, I decided to spend time with you for the next 44 days of the year and this 45-day listing challenge. So first we're going to start off with my tip of the day. Then I will show you the 5 items that I have listed for the day. Now keep in mind, friends, you were to come up with a goal, drop it in the chat. How many items are you going to list every day? I saw 50 a week. I saw 3 a day. All excellent starts. It doesn't matter how many you list. It can be 1 or it can be 30, but the trick is that you want to do something that's manageable and that you can be consistent with. Keep in mind, during our challenge, we're going to run into the holidays: Thanksgiving, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, Hanukkah, all the festivals, all the festivities. So you don't want to set it too high because then you'll feel like sad that you didn't make it. But so think about that. Drop it in the comments. Today I'm going to share with you BOLO. Now, Athleta is a brand that I am super picky about picking up. But there are 2 styles that I say are a BOLO, and they are definitely yes. So the first is the Trekkie utility pant or jogger. So the best thing about the Trekkie is that it is super comfortable, great for athleisure, athletic walking, like athletic wear, and travel. It comes in a variety of colors, inseams, and styles. So you can get a straight leg, a jogger, a cargo, and then the other one I have, and I'll pop a picture of the Trekkie in so that you can see what I'm talking about it. These have over 100% sell-through rate, and people search for them by name. So if you see them, pick them up. And they're reselling for between $28 and $55. And that's a good return on investment if you can get it at a good price, like our Goodwill athletic pant like that, if they don't go crazy and mark it up, would be about $6. The other item, also from Athleta, and a pant that I have sold, it is called the Brooklyn pant. I sold a pair of these last month, and they sold within 3 days for full asking price at $35. So once again, between that $28, $55 price point, they're also great for travel, just all around good. Like you could wear it to work, to travel, or a nice athleisure pant. It comes also in a variety of inseams and styles. You could have it in a jogger or a straight leg or a cargo. And I'm going to say I think larger sizes will sell best in both styles, but I would pick up any size in the Trekkie or the Brooklyn. Let me know in the comments down below if you sold either of these pants and how they're doing for you or how they did for you. And I will see you tomorrow for our 3rd day. Get to listing. Oh, hold on, friends. Let me show you what I've listed today. We're going to pop over, look at my Poshmark screen, and I'll show you what's listed because I had already listed them before I pushed them out from List Perfectly before I made this video. So here are actually 8 things that I listed today, and I wanted to know, look at my model. I used her making AI, so she's an AI generated model, and I have her in several of my photos, so I'm super excited about that. I will teach you guys how to do that in an upcoming video. It is so easy. So we listed this Blue Rain shift dress for $20, and then this Windsor lace trim V-neck bodycon dress for $20, and this Loft tiered shift dress long sleeve for $25. This Cuddly Duds Flex Wear dress for $20. And I'll move down to the second row. Next up was this Vibraquim A-line long dress caftan. It's 100% linen, and I listed it for $55. I love my pictures with my model. No more stealing stock photos from me. Next up was this ASO Africa X Chachika honeysuckle dress. I listed that for $45. Then this Carhartt men's loose fit tee for $18, which I just sold one for $14. And then this Universal Threads tiered puff sleeve midi dress for $20. So instead of 5, you got 8 today because I had already pushed them out to Poshmark. Thanks for joining. I'll see you tomorrow. Get to listing.